Hello, I'm Ben from Mayku, and in this video we're going to show you how to make a bike light. We're going to show you how to extend the power of your 3D printing setup. With the multiplier, you can make production parts rapidly out of pure thermoplastics. To make these components, we're going to be designing 3 different tools. There's a few considerations you want to take into account when designing for thermoforming, and we've got a really extensive guide on how to design for thermoforming on our website. So the main things to consider are draft angles, undercuts, and air holes. We're going to be using a high temperature SLA resin for both of the tools. You want to make sure it's been post-processed very well and all of the air holes have been evacuated of resin and you're happy with the final result. So to prepare your tool for thermoforming, you want to give it about 4 coats with a dry PTFE spray. Here we're using a 3mm transparent red PMMA sheet. You can create a completely custom profile for the material that you're using or one of the profiles on the machine. When placing your models into the bed, always try and keep them in the center. The material is now at the perfect temperature. Lock it and then release all of the air. And at the end of the cooling cycle, we'll be able to open the machine and remove the formed part. Now we're going to do a rough cut on the bandsaw just to get it off the excess sheet and get it ready for finishing. Or you can attach this part to a jig and automate your workflow by using a laser cutter or a CNC. We're just going to take the rough edges off this part using the belt sander. Here we're using a 3mm optically clear pure PETG sheet. And now we're using a 3mm sheet of pure black hips. So here we have our 3 final parts and we're going to put them together for assembly. It's 3 parts, 10 minutes forming time, and then 10 minutes cutting and assembly. So 20 minutes end to end with pure thermoplastics and a highly repeatable workflow. To learn more about the workflow, you can download our PDF guide from our website.